Hi, in this video I will show you how to make invisible profile picture on the Discord. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your browser and search for the blank PFP. Once you will search for it, go to the image and select any blank image from here. I simply download this one. So download it. Now go back, open your Discord mobile application. Now go to the profile from the right bottom. Now click on the profile. Now click on the my account and here you will see upload option. Simply click on it and upload the picture you have downloaded from the Google. Click on the upload. So in this way you can upload a blank or invisible picture on the Discord. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.